the train and the train the come and later the train comes again. But which train? That's the guess. I'm gonna guess it's the red one. If I guess it and it's correctly, I am gonna be happy. No, I thought that was a train red, but it's a bus. I'm in Serbia, but I know English. I already know because of the game Roblox. You know, guys, that you play Roblox. My username in Roblox is System902. But I got the gato skin, so I changed El Gato. Yo, I guessed it. It's going fast, you see? I told you it's going fast, man.